Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install always visible Chat GPT widget for Realme 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and here in the top search find Wally Chat GPT. It's this app right here, and we want to install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Then we can read through this introduction. I'm gonna skip it. If you like to read it, then install the app and you'll have it there. Now let's open permissions and allow this app to draw over the other apps. Go back, then select start. And from here, this floating app will show up on your screen. You can move it around. And if you click on it, it will open a chat. You can ask anything. Now, if you want to close it, you will need to first hide the keyboard and click anywhere on your screen. And now it's hidden. If you want to remove it from your screen, simply drag it to the X button right here and it will be gone from your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.